Howdy! Thank you for stopping by Tim and Amy's Homestead. Let's get in that kitchen and make some refrigerator pickles. Smell that deal.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Tim and Amy's Homestead. In the kitchen today, we are going to first of all stay cool because with the heat index, it is over 100 degrees outside. So luckily, I picked my pickling cucumbers yesterday for our recipe today. We're going to make refrigerator pickles, and all we need to do is slice 8 to 10 cucumbers, a medium onion, a couple cloves of garlic, and of course the main ingredient other than the pickles, dill. And yes, I said pickles, but you know, I meant cucumbers. Anyway, so while all this is sitting here waiting on me, as well as you, let's get the brine going. So in your pot, you need 2 cups of water. One cup of vinegar. Okay, you need to add your kosher salt or your pickling salt, and it's going to be 1/3 cup. So dump that into your water and vinegar, and I'm going to go and put it on the stove and let it start dissolving. And then we're going to get to putting the stuff in our jars. Okay, I'm using one that's this size. This is the 1/2 gallon. You can use your quart jars. You can use the Dollar Tree little containers, the storage containers that they have. It will not taste like plastic, so you're good. So anyway, I'm going to use this, and the first thing we're going to do is add onion. So you're just going to drop everything in. Okay, now you're going to want a couple cloves of garlic, which this one is so big, I'm just using 1. So dump that in there, and then put your dill in. And if you do not have any dill in your garden, you can use the dried dill in the store. So you could throw you a couple tablespoons in there. Okay, now you just add your cucumbers in. Okay, now the brine is ready, so I wanted to go ahead and put the funnel in here, and I'm going to get ready and slowly pour it in. This brine is not boiling, so it's not going to cook these cucumbers. So let me slowly pour it in this jar. Okay, here we go. If it doesn't fill this up, I'll make some more. Right there at the top. So it's right here at the top. Okay, I did make some more brine for these pickles because I wanted them to cover, and I did burp them. I wanted to get all the air bubbles out. And mark your calendar for 14 days for some awesome, crispy refrigerator pickles. Thank you so much for stopping and checking out my recipe. Please like, share, and mash that little bell button for more videos. And if you have not subscribed, please mash the red button. Would love to have you as a subscriber and support my channel. Thank you so much, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.